Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: an active Roblox account and working device. Open the Roblox app or a supported browser, then navigate to the sign-in fields. Enter your username and password carefully and complete two-factor authentication if required. Once done, make sure the client version is current. Updates install automatically but may require a restart. If the sign-in button stays gray, check caps lock and autofill. Clear them and retype to ensure correct credentials before proceeding. You click play and let the Roblox player hand off. On PC, the browser prompts to open the app, while mobile goes straight to the app. Once the launcher runs, select a server instance that matches your ping and friend list to reduce lag. Make sure you accept prompts for microphone or storage when needed, because permissions enable chat and persistent settings. If downloads stall, cancel, and retry, the launcher often fails on a partial download, so restarting the process fixes most mid-load hangs. You're entering the game now. Tweak graphics and camera to match device performance and enable or mute voice chat for privacy. Make sure saves are linked to your account. Cloud saves prevent lost progress when you switch devices. Once done, test movement and interactions to confirm normal behavior. If problems appear, like repeated disconnects or login failures, clear the Roblox cache, reboot your device, and, if necessary, reset your password via your registered email or phone number. That single step resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.